bibitaw sa paggamit ng product ng Nubulife dahil ito na ang nagbigay kagalingan ng mga sakit namin. Lalo na sa kapatid ko nagkaroon ng HIV, sa kapatid kong nagkaroon ng mga bukol sa mattress, nung naglockjaw ang nanay ko. Ito rin nagme-maintain ng aming cholesterol nung tumaas ang sugar namin. Kaya ito rin ang dahilan kung hanggang ngayon sama-sama pa kami dahil sa product ng Nubulife. Siya ang nagdugtong ng buhay namin. Ito ang ginamit ni Lord para sa kagalingan ng aming mga sakit. Actually, si Lord talaga ang nagpapagaling. Kaya ito lang ang ginagamit niya, yung product Nubulife. Sumunod naman, yung sa kapatid kong babae na pinauwi ng kanyang amo from Dubai. Nung pagdating niya rito, nakita ko, nagulat ako, napakalaki ng tiyan niya. Sabi ko, bakit ang nangyari sa'yo? Sabi niya, manang hindi ko alam. Sabi na, nag-i-spotting ako. So sabi ko, tara, diretso tayo sa ospital, patingin natin sa doktor. So na-request kami ng ultrasound at biopsy. So doon nakita sa may ultrasound na meron siya mga bukol sa mattress. And then, pumunta kami dito sa Nubulife, binatry ko muna yung Cleanse sa Crypto sa kanya. At and then after 1 week na inom niya, nagkaroon siya ng discharge. Napakaraming discharge. Hindi na kaya na napkin, so nagdadiaper na siya. And then after 1 week, bumalik kami ulit sa ultrasound. Nagpa-ultrasound kami kahit wala kaming request ang doktor, nagpa-ultrasound kami ulit. So and then nagtaka yung nag-ultrasound na bakit wala na yung hinahanap na yung bukol sa mattress. So, wala nang nakita yung nag-ultrasound. So, pumunta kami sa doktor, pinakita namin, dalawa yung result na dala-dala namin. Sabi ng doktor, bakit dalawa ito? Sabi ko, Dok, nagpa-ultrasound kami ulit dahil pakiramdam ng anak ko, okay na siya. Sabi niya, anong ginawa niyo? Sabi niya ganun, habang tinitingnan yung dalawang result. Sabi niya, wala na akong nakitang bukol dito sa pangalawang ultrasound. Sabi niya, anong ginawa niyo? Sabi ko, Lord, kinuwento ko sa kanya yung about sa product ng Nubulife. So, ayan, wala na siyang nakitang bukol. Sabi niya, hindi ko na ito operahan dahil wala nang rason para operahan ko siya dahil wala na akong nakitang bukol. So yun yung kapatid ko, thanks God, bumalik sa Dubai na dala-dala yung nagbaon siya ng product na Nubulife, and then pagdating niya doon ay nagpa-member siya ng doon sa Nubulife. Meron tayong branch doon. So yun lang, hanggang ngayon siya ay gumagamit ng product ng Nubulife.
2016, nagkaroon na ako ng mild stroke. At from that day on, nagising ako ng hindi na ako makagalaw, pero nakakapagsalita ako. Until such time na napakarami ko talagang mga gamot, synthetic drug. Kasi nandoon na yung mataas na BP, tapos may sakit din ako sa puso. Accumulated na lahat talaga yung mga paghihirap ko. At ang mga synthetic na gamot ko, napakarami na. So, nag-isip ako, kasi ilang taon na, hindi pa rin naaalis yung sobrang kirot ba. Dahil yung sakit ko pala na yun, nung na-MRI ako, yun na ang apektado sa, sa system ko. Kaya hindi ako nakalakad. Nawala na ng langis yung mga joints ko. Marahil siguro dahil na rin yun sa stress, dahil na rin sa sobrang pagod. Kaya ako nakuha. Isip ko, kala ko mamamatay na ako. Until such time na may nag-approach sa akin, itry mo ang Nubulife. Libre lang yung check-up, kaya wala ka munang poproblemahin. Doon nag-umpisa na makilala ko ang Nubulife. Dahil ayaw kong uminom ng napakarami ng gamot, nakakasawa ang synthetic na gamot. At pakiramdam ko, hindi naman nawawala yung aking mga nararamdaman. Kaya, thanks God, at nakilala ko ang Crypto Manadales. In-advise nila ako na uminom ng PPARs. Now that I am 65 years old, eto, nakakapagtrabaho pa at nakakapaglingkod sa Diyos. At yun ay utang ko sa Nubulife at utang ko rin sa Panginoon sapagkat binigyan pa niya ako ng matatawag nating hindi lang magandang health dito sa Nubulife, kundi still earning at kumikita kahit matanda na. Di ba napakagandang oportunidad ito na hindi lang pinagaling ka ng produktong maganda, kundi ang sakit ng bulsa mo ay napagaling rin. Sabi nga ni Dr. Ortesa, yung sakit na bursitis, nawala na rin. Ayan, thank you very much.
Kung nag-survive ang ate ko sa product ng Noble Life, ako rin kaya magsusurvive? Yun ang katanungan sa aking sarili nung nakita ko ang sister ko na nag-survive sa kanyang sakit na half-body dead and stroke, second stroke. Sa totoo lang, ako ay cancer survivor ng breast cancer and at the same time, meron akong diabetes type 2. Para sa akin, alam ko mahirap mabuhay kasi mahirap ang pera. Kaso nga lang, nakita ko sa sarili ko, sa ate ko, na kaya ng product na ito, na isurvive ang ate ko. So, ginamit ko ito, trinay ko rin sa sarili ko, and after 5 years, nag-survive ako. Nasurpass ko ang stage 2 breast cancer. Sa madalit sabi, para lang magic, 2014, ang mama ko naman ang sumunod. Sinabi hindi siya maoperahan. Pero nasabi ko, kung ako nag-survive, ang mama ko pa kaya, pwede. Ngayon, 9 years na pong buhay ang mama ko and until now, magandang-maganda siya. Walang sakit, walang maintenance. Only product lang yan ng Noble Life. At the age of 41, hindi ko inaasahan na mag-survive ako. But now, I'm surviving. And it's so amazing. At the age of 41, nagbuntis pa ako. At ang pinakagrabe, at the age of 42, ang ate ko na half-body dead, surpass ang kanyang sakit at nagbuntis siya at the age of 42. Ano kaya ang meron sa Noble Life? Ano kaya ang inyong masasabi?
At ako'y nagpatuloy sa paggamit ng produkto ng Noble Life. Pumunta ako sa Amerika for 5 years at nagtrabaho bilang housekeeper at caregiver. Ginamit ko ang Crypto Monadales para mabigyan ako ng energy. Kung si Papay merong spinach, si Jenny merong Noble Life Crypto Monadales. So, araw-araw, ito ang tinitake ko sa hirap ng trabaho na kailangan sa physical na gawain. Ine-energize ako ng crypto. Hindi ako nalulobat. Energized pa rin ako all day. Marami pang kwento na natouch at natulungan ng Crypto Monadales. Pagbalik ko sa Pilipinas, marami ako na-encounter. Merong may psoriasis na naawa ako at tinulungan ko, binigyan ko ng crypto. Out of sympathy, pinasubo ko lang, baka sakali dahil naniniwala nga ako sa produkto. After taking 2 sachet ng crypto, natuyo ang kanyang mga sugat. And then I give another 2. And then after nun, totally nawala na yung mga sugat niya. Natuyo. Naging mabuti ang kanyang kalagayan. Marami ding dengue patients na natulungan ng crypto. Ang aking daughter-in-law, ang anak ko, mga apo, nagka-dengue sila. Pero na-prevent namin ang blood transfusion kasi once na-realize namin na bumababa ang platelet count, bigay agad kami ng crypto. The following day, mataas na, di-discharge na sa ospital. Ang pinaka-recent na pasyente or kamag-anak na tulungan ko ay isang suspected cancer patient. According to the doctor, meron daw tumor sa sikmura at maybe terminal. Although, hindi na pinabiopsy dahil ayaw ng pasyente, ayaw niya na ng any further examination. But I believe matutulungan kami ng Noble Life through PPAR and Crypto Monadales. The patient go back to her normal life. Ngayon, okay siya. Matanda, 82 years old, pero she's doing the usual na routine niya sa everyday life. Being a user ng crypto for 17 years, I still believe na malaki ang naitutulong ng crypto. Hindi lamang sa buhay ko at sa buhay ng iba pang mga pasyente na nagtitake nito. Kaya every time na may makita ako na pasyente o even may skin disease na tingin ko matutulungan, hindi ako nahihiyang mag-approach. And even kung walang pera, I help. Kasi naniniwala ako na makakatulong at mapapagaling sila ng Kristo. Dahil malaki ang aking tiwala sa mga produkto ng Noble Life, patuloy ko pa rin gagamitin at i-introduce sa ibang tao ang mga benepisyo at mga na-experience ko at ang ano pa mang magandang mga nangyari sa aking buhay kasama ng Noble Life. Maraming salamat, Noble Life.
Last 2004, I was diagnosed po to have an ovarian tumor. Ngayon, I don't want to undergo any surgery dahil nagka-trauma po ako because my mother passed away by undergoing surgery sa kidney. So, yun po ang aking trauma. Ngayon, nung mag-diagnose po ako ng ganon, sabi nung doktora ko sa Makati Med, kailangan kong maoperahan or else in 2 or 3 months, I'll be gone from this world. So, natakot po ako, pero determined po ako na hindi magpa-opera dahil nga doon sa aking takot sa operasyon. Ngayon, nag-search po ako ng mga iba't ibang alternatives. That's why I shifted to being a vegetarian at na-meet ko po ang lahat ng ito, yung Noble Life products when I was in Macau. I worked at the International School of Macau, and while I was working there, na dumating po sa buhay ko at naipakilala po sa akin ng isa sa mga borders ko yung Noble Life products. Kaya searching for more, kasi nagsabi po yung doktor ko, pag operasyon, instantly mawawala yung aking tumor. Pero pag ganito na alternative medicine, kaya pong i-combat ang aking tumor, pero matatagalan lang. Kaya sabi ko po, kahit na tumagal pa yan ng 10 taon, as long as hindi ako magkaroon ng operasyon. So I tried using the products because they were introduced to me by one of my boarders, and Madam Lila went to us, and also BDE, Judy Pascual. So I started using the products. And then, finally po, nalumit ang aking tumor. And then, after a year, I survived my cancer. So, sinare ko po yung products because they are really wonderful. And many of my friends and relatives in Macau use the product. So, I introduced it to them. At marami po ang hindi na nagpa-doktor, ito na lang po ang kanilang ginamit. So, kahit ano pong karamdaman, we can survive it with the correct lifestyle and with the correct food supplement. Lalo na po ang Noble Life products. Kaya until now, we are using it. Grabe po ang epekto ng produkto na to. Nakaka-save po ng buhay. Kaya po, tuloy-tuloy po natin gamitin ito para humaba po ang ating buhay. Marami pong salamat.
Nung nakita ko po maganda yung product ng Noble Life, naisipan ko na rin siyang i-share. Not only sa mga friends ko, pati online. So, nagkuha po ako ng mga video clips ng mga taong nagte-testimony. And with that, sinare ko din po yan sa aking blogspot. Tapos nag-advertise na rin po ako online. So, doon na po nag-start yung nag-keeps growing na po yung mga taong nai-invite at the same time natutulungan sila sa kanilang mga health concern. Ako po kasi pinilit lang din gumamit ng product eh. And then after a while, sabi nga nila dapat pasalamatan natin yung mga taong nag-share ng product sa atin. Hindi ko po nga alam kung how will I live without knowing Cleanse, Crypto, and PPARS Plus Resveratrol. Dahil dyan po, I reached the age of 60 na hindi pa po ako nagkaroon ng any maintenance na tinitake every day. Wala po akong high blood, wala po akong diabetes, wala pong kahit ano. So, up to this age, I keep on going and going na wala pong sakit. Panay lang po travel, gala, shopping, ang ginagawa ko na. Malaki na rin po yung naging kita, income sa pag-share ng product na to. May negosyo pala sa Noble Life. Noong una, akala ko all for health lang eh. Doon lang panalo na eh. Doon lang happy na ako. Dahil na-resolve lahat ang mga health concern ko dati. May lagnat, may ubo, may sipon, may trangkaso na ako. May migraine pa. Kung siseryosohin mo i-share ang product, sisipagan mo, yung mga taong matulungan mo, sila na po mismo ang lalapit sa'yo. So, dahil sa mga taong yon, yung negosyo, it follows.
18 years ago, I came from the export manufacturing industry, and I was with a group of friends who said that there was a new company opening here in Manila, and let's go check it out. And at that time, I had an ex-employee who had passed away from diabetes. So when we went to the company, and I heard the different speakers talking about these wonderful products, and how I realized, my gosh, I said, we could have saved Dindo's life. Prior to him, I had not known anyone with diabetes. But after I heard the Singaporeans sharing the scientific basis I was just moved. All right, so I started to hang around the office of Noble Life. And then later on, I began to listen to the health talks, see different people with different conditions come in, start on the product, whatever. And then I began to see a lot of amazing things. There was, I remember there was this one lady who was a radiology expert at the Veterans Memorial. And she had come in because somebody had left a brochure of the product in Veterans Memorial, and she had just tucked it away. She was not my account, but she had some questions. And so I told her about the products, and she started to buy. It turns out later that she had colon cancer. And as a radiologist, she was a single mom, she knew the effects of cancer treatment because she had seen it. So even if she could have free treatments in veterans, she decided to try the products. But she said, the first thing I did, she said, because I am a single mom and I have a 9-year-old son, the first thing I did when I found out I had cancer, she said, I had to buy a memorial plan. But then I was thinking, what am I going to do for my son? And so when I saw this brochure, she said, I decided to come here and I wanted to try the product. So a month later, she came and she was buying some more. And I said, how do you know that it's working for you? Because I myself, I was so new at it. I really didn't know the power of the products at that time. And she said, my bleeding has stopped. Oh, I said, really? So that was an amazing thing for me. And then later on, I said, would you please testify and talk about it? She said, I won't do it. She said, until the surgeon tells me, because I'm scheduled for operation. So she said, I want to see first what the results of the operation will be. A few months later, the doctor tells her she no longer needs the operation. So I said, oh, wow. I said, how can these products do that? Okay. And then later on, she said that if they tell me that I am cancer-free, then I will come out and testify. And I tell you, I was there when she came to one of our events and she testified that she was totally cancer-free. She did not have to have an operation and she was cancer-free. So for me, that was just the beginning of the many healing, we call them miraculous things that I saw. And so I began to ask Lila, I said, Mom, why do these products work this way? These are, di ba parang vegetable lang to? Di ba these are just powders, these are fibers, these are natural, these are just foods. Why are they delivering such fantastic effects? Please, I said, ask the doctors, bring in the doctors, tell us why. Because I'm an engineer and I have a lot of love for biotech and biochemical things. What is behind all of this? And I was doing a lot of research on the net, trying to look for it, but because the products were new. So now, 18 years later, we are at such an advantage because the technical papers have come out from the National Health Research Institutes in Taiwan that there are definite therapeutic claims. These products, these foods, these healing foods can really regulate blood sugar, they can really regulate blood pressure, they can really lower high cholesterol. And these are medically proven. And we can, these are therapeutic claims. And yet, so when Ma'am Lila started to bring the doctors in, now my husband is Chinese and speaks Mandarin. Of course, she brought in Professor Wang, who formulated the cryptomonadales. He's the one who bred it. He's the microbiologist. She also brought in the head of the National Health Research Institutes of Taiwan, who is a great epidemiologist. At that time, he had isolated the SARS virus. He helped develop the SARS vaccine. He was up for the Nobel Prize, you know. He was a very respected doctor, and Ma'am Lila brought him in here. Okay, so this is Dr. Sui Rian. In fact, lately, during the pandemic, he was also the one in charge of the pandemic response of Taiwan, all right? Another doctor that she brought in was Dr. Chow, and I was there when Dr. Chow addressed all the Nobel lifers at that time. So Dr. Chow is a Taiwanese scientist, a director of Merck Pharmaceutical in the United States, and it was he who was telling us that, first of all, he was one of the patent holders for synthetic PPARs, and the drugs that he and his team of 6 patent holders were enjoying sales of something like $10 billion in the United States alone. And then he comes here on the invitation of the National Health Research Institutes of Taipei and these other scientists, and they come to address us Nobel lifers. And then I'm asking my husband, what are they talking about? Because you can understand the scientists are talking to each other in Chinese. I said, what are they talking about? And they were saying, my husband was telling me, they're saying how fortunate we Filipinos are. We don't even have to be doctors. Yet we have access to these healing foods. Our body knows what to do once we give it the natural foods that it needs. The healing can begin. Even if we don't understand what all these biochemical things or this peroxisome, proliferator, we didn't even know what the term, we didn't even know if it was English or whatever language at the time. Even if we didn't understand that, he said, here it's given to us and we can take it. There's no overdose. If at all, maybe hindi na lang kaya ng bulsa namin, okay? Ngunit, kahit na you take unlimited amounts of it, it's not going to kill you. The side effects are youth and beauty. And I can attest to that. I mean, I'm a senior now. I'm 61 years old. I've been on the products for a long time. I don't have any chronic diseases. I have on absolutely no maintenance. You know, I take these products as part of my food habit. It has kept me flexible. It has helped my mind cognition. It helps boost my immunity against different sicknesses that are around there, the challenges. So Noble Life products, the Noble Life company, I'm really grateful for Ma'am Lila that she has for the last 18 years made these products and made this health education available to the Filipinos, not only here in the Philippines, but in other countries. I have seen the ravaging effects of diseases on families, whether it's cancer. You know, it hits you not only that you're grieving for a family member who is slowly wasting away in front of you, but of course it also hits you in the pocket. You know, like I know I have friends even today who are in ICU and their oxygen cost alone is 57,000 pesos per day. Who can afford that? But when we have these products, you give people an affordable alternative. You invest in your own health. Okay, if you're the breadwinner for your family, like in my case for many years when my children were still in school, I was always I'm an engineer, I was stressed out from the various jobs or businesses that I was involved in. These products helped me keep my immune system going, keep my hormones balanced, deal with the stress. I would advise it for the same, you know, I've seen so many, I had one business transaction, it was a real estate transaction, and the person that I was dealing with was a multi-millionaire, was telling me that he was suffering from tumors of the head and neck. And because of that, he was not feeling well and he didn't want. So I told him about our products, and then I forgot about it. Okay, 8 years later, I run into him again, and he said, "Come here. Do you know that 8 years ago you saved my life because you told me about PPARs and these wonderful products?" He said, "Today I am cancer-free," and I was shocked. Okay, because I had totally forgotten. I just told him about it because I felt compassion towards him. This was a person who had no problem with money, but his health was failing, and the doctors were not giving him much hope, and he was not feeling well, and so 8 years later, he blessed me. He said, "I want to give you some business. Let's do a transaction together." And this is the wonderful thing that Noble Life does. I mean, I've been fortunate that I did make some money by referring the products to people. But more than making the money for them, I just wanted them to have hope. I wanted them to have a chance to not throw away their money on being sick or not feeling well. Instead, to invest in their own health. Through the years, I'm happy to meet up again with the people here in Noble Life. Some of them I've known for maybe 6 years, 8 years, 10 years. Some, I think, like Janet, 18 years na kami. And it's not that we're growing old together. I think we're staying young together. We're staying excited together. We're looking forward to being here for the 20-year anniversary. I'm hoping by that time that there will be more of us, that we'll have more stories to tell, not only of being able to see our families through, but stories of being healthy, being happy, being stress-free, being able to have something to give others hope. Siyempre, ang bigat, di ba? Pag naririnig mo yung story nila na may iniinda silang sakit, meron silang burden dahil yung kamag-anak nila, ganito na lang, nawawala na ng pag-asa. And then you can tell them something that can change their life and lift a weight from them. And I've seen it, it's a wonderful thing. These products are wonderful. This company has been such a blessing to many. And I hope it can continue, and I hope I can continue with it, not only here in the Philippines, in Singapore, in Milan, in Frankfurt, hopefully in Spain, hopefully in Australia, and wherever else Noble Life is planning to go. It's great to be with Noble Life.
Iba ang may proteksyon, kaya't huwag hayaang dapuan ng sakit at lumala ito. Mayroon naman tayong Noble Life na maayos para sa kalusugan. Tandaan nyo, mahal magkasakit. At kaya po pinagpatuloy ko ang paggamit ng Noble Life kasi po lahat ng aking anak at ang buong pamilya ay nakikinabang dito. Once na nagkaroon po sila ng lagnat, ubo, sipon, hika, lahat po yan ginagamitan ko lang ng Noble Life. At alam niyo naman kung gaano kamahal magpa-doktor. Kaya ayan lang po ang inaano ko. Kung una po sa 1 tab per take, pag hindi po siya nakuha, gagawin ko pong 2 tabs per take hanggang sa makarecover po ang aking mga anak. Kaya ayan po ang masasabi ko at hindi ako bibitiw sa Noble Life dahil iyan po ang malaking tulong sa akin, pamilya.
Bye!